Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh, and this week's tech tip is centered around sending your very first email campaign. Alright, once we are in Command, I will direct y'all to click the Campaigns applet on the left-hand side of the screen. Once we're in Campaigns, we're going to choose Create a New Campaign, and we're going to choose Email. Now for this, I want to do some brand awareness. For instance, I'm going to send out a monthly newsletter. So I'm going to call this monthly newsletter, and I'm going to choose brand awareness as my type of email. Down here at the bottom, you will also verify how you want to send out your email. Now keep in mind, Command Email gives you 5,000 free emails each month that you can send out to your database. Once I've chosen Command Email, I'm going to go ahead to Set Up Campaign. Now that you're here, you can verify that you will be sending the email out from the correct email account. And now we need to choose some people to send it to. Now, if you already have a pre-made recipient list, you can choose that list. But in my case, I'm going to make a list. So I'm going to choose Create List. And now here's my database. So for instance, if I wanted to send an email to Roy Cooper and also send an email to Bill Gates, and let's see who else in here that I can add on here. Oh, yes. We'll send it to Stinky Pete. And we'll send one to myself. Why not? Okay. Now that I have these people selected, I will make sure to add in a list. And it will now allow me to confirm. Keep in mind, you can also sort your database by the tags that they have. With my list selected, I can now choose what I want the subject for my email to be. And lastly, I can choose a design. If you have not made a design, you can always go to Designs and make your newsletters under Emails. I've already created a design, so I can go ahead and choose that template here now. This gives me an opportunity to edit my template before I move on. You'll now notice on the right-hand side of the screen that it gives me a preview for what my email is going to look like. If I've missed a piece of information here that I want to go back, I can always go down here and choose Update Design, which once again allows me to choose my template and potentially change other information that I want to do on here. Once done here, I can click Save and Exit. And once I'm satisfied with how the email looks, I can choose Send, and it will send it out to my database. I hope that this gives you the keys to drive the car of sending out email campaigns to your database, and I hope that this is helpful for you and your business. Once again, I am Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer. I hope that y'all have a great week, and remember everybody for Greasy Spoon this week that we're going to be trying to go back to Chewy's on Thursday at noon. Have a great week, and I'll see you around.